I dropped a Simpson tie down in the attic. I can't reach down there, so I'm going to take this Gizmo and we're going to go through and hook a piece of the extension cord on. Drop it down in there. I just picked it up. Things are like $2.50 a piece or something, so these have been putting on for roof retrofit. And there's the number 10 nails. Some of these I can't get in here, so I've been putting deck screws, which really isn't up to code, but this is just me doing it for myself when I'm putting ridge vents in.